Memorial Day is looking like. Tropical storm Alberto coming through South Alabama. Woohoo! Watch out, Booga. Gotta love it. Look at all that rain. This is our Memorial Day. Look at the trees. Holy crap. Whoa. It's coming down. And this ain't even the worst part yet, you guys. Whew. What is that? Pine cone. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to know that I hope everyone is having a very good Memorial Day. And don't forget why we celebrate Memorial Day. A lot of people always tend to forget why we celebrate these type of holidays. It's not to grill. It's not to get drunk or, you know, party. That's not why we do it. We celebrate Memorial Day to take a moment to reflect on all the sacrifices that our military personnel have made for us to be able to grill in our backyard and enjoy the day as is. So just take a second today to remember why we truly celebrate this day. And I hope everyone has a blessed day. Just look at the rain one more time here in South Alabama. Woohoo!